these assistance and could lead to a rise in poverty level.
Leading the debate on the floor of the House during plenary on Wednesday, Ofuji recalled that on September 23, 2023, the 132/33 kV transmission substation serving Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital and its environs, was got by fire, throwing Yenagoa in total darkness. Subsequently, the state has been struggling to use only a feeder to supply 5 feeders. He added that the operational feeder is getting weak, stressing that if urgent steps are not taken, the feeder will collapse.
23rd September 2023, the 132/33 kV transmission substation servicing Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital and its environs, was gutted by fire, throwing Yenagoa into total darkness.
Cognizant that the Port Harcourt Electricity Distribution Company has been carrying out remedial service to avert the collapse of the weak operational feeder, the House with Speaker Abbas urged TCN to swiftly intervene to prevent the complete collapse of power distribution and transmission in Yenagoa. It also mandated the Committee on Power to ensure compliance. Angela Ilegoma reporting for BTV News.